and then somebody brings out Obi passport picture, Obi passport, driver's license, names, date of birth, and all that. Where did they get it from? The church have been raged about that Alpha Hour picture. Who took the picture? Who took the picture?
For my mama akwaba de ba Exposed unu abema limo elikem kwame amega na matwen abel na asema etwi kobrema ya me pese me de brown and say reverend and pastor and prophet Kofi Oduro awoda Alabaster church ano ene utumu se service omoye Sunday na okase e bani se na nipa tumi ye terror investigation etiko hu obi ID card, obi passport, obi Ghana card. Then a ma obtani panel audacity because me say me farm Ghana card na me ID card and chirewaya. How do you take? I know because some man who be institutions be Lεαked and institutions be able provide this information. It is some go forward e ban say obi to me nya ID card. Na osap to aso no ka say obi to me tina obi asole they know a trap picture of money e dey go. It is their all person chain na say nipa o ho a hwen ho so yi. Na obodi na wunima na me patch or patchre ana de okani na say even kusi buati ho asemsem bae e kon yetumi de ne passport abesi abontin ne ID card sabedi abontin ne yetumi identify the different names and we free fa when they nya brain no tumi trap sa pictures you go to me in passport after me person me who Kofi asimesi ne passport picture. It doesn't happen. It ye ni me pa ne say na Alpha Hour so ye the service na church member ti asori ho. Na say ni so for net bo ahwe ase na ope o say show off no you to me twa picture dey the correction na ba bontin wo ko sa kra so sabe kan say onu kwani mampanyin a won say wo ye mampanyin na wo dey as wo sha say from first term second term no bebre na mo government appointees no bebre no person be running mate ni ade on be flag bearers ni ade de mo pe akodi obi echi because wo time twem wo say na wo ye party no mo resign it won't mean nya focus and your omani ono anka ni mremu anka ono edusu ni awie sa tem na sa kofo no person ni na me jo mo asa me mo resign apen kofo me focus ni etumema oman na de akoso no wo kire se ewiase de mo ye ti na wo bo mo asori a eni ebi obetuma waso na onipa bi waso le mani apam no nye bibia o enipa bi mu yesu enipa bi ti mo den unya pam no so ampa odo wo nsem be kwa bonti akoton ama nkofo atie wo nsem ebusiafo my uncle in seminar prophet Kofi Oduro
Kristo adia wo yema wa senuane so na anya wo fe. Unbelievable. And then let me talk to you about the last thing. This week I have been intrigued. So, I am sitting now and then somebody brings out Obi passport picture, Obi passport, driver's license, names, date of birth, and all that. Where did they get it from? How will you get my passport? How will you get my driver's license or Ghana card? That somebody can be able to dig and pull out somebody's documents. Sister, be careful. Be very careful. The church have been raged about that Alpha Hour picture. Who took the picture? Who took the picture? We have to be careful. The people that have surrounded us. The people who have surrounded us. This, remember, come for this. Why we reshuffle people, we sack people sometimes, we move people out sometimes. We have taken them out. Get them out. January and come will be last year one woman to the left, Obia, me ye party, me ye graduation, me ye ordination, me ye be a young and nika, and yan when will never, that person will never even celebrate. Oh, when you are congratulations, never. All those people to the left. To the left. What do you intend? To the left. Sometimes I even I look at Facebook and I ask myself, why are some people my friends? They never like my content, they never like my picture, they never learn. Why are they? But let me write something and then the English grammar or the grammatic expression is wrong. They will come quickly to correct it. I say, so this is your job, this is all you can see. All you can see is a wrong and a fault. Be careful, because and it will be all by the people around, the people talking in your ears. Be careful, because be very careful. Be very careful. With all honor and due respect to my president, me, if I was the president of Ghana, every second term of every president is a very difficult time. The reason is because most of the times the people that are in ministerial positions are also vying for candidature of the presidency. Those people don't even allow them to come into the government in a second. Don't even all these people resigning. I will never give them an opportunity. Take them out. You take them out so that you can have a focused government. Nobody is coming to resign. It's all are a distraction. It will be our personal presidential. His Excellency must be careful to take them out. Now we have only 2 years. If those people don't go out, they might bring this, that confusion and distraction to his government. If we have placed somebody there who should have been there not resigning 2 years, I think they would perform better, because the people who are resigning knew they were going to resign, so their full force is not there. The same thing, if you want a woman who cannot go with you for better, for worse, richer and poorer, in health and in sickness, wrong candidate. If I'm talking to you, wrong candidate. Wrong candidate. Tell me. I saw poverty when we started. If my day was through the poverty, our poverty was raw. So I saw the worst. I saw the worst. Without now, I saw the worst. But if you are sitting here and you feel that I think you are a wrong candidate. You are the wrong candidate. You are the wrong candidate. Life is not easy in Accra. We need encouragers, people to push us, people to help us. People who believe in your dream. Yeah, that kind of people. That kind of people. Me, I will never tell Alabasta Nibia, Koni will be Kunungo. We had a lady like that here, Koni will be Kunungo, and then they want to come and have dedication. Who are Oduro? You want to come and have baby dedication? I'm telling you, and baby anywhere you will never do it.
I was your form, my mama Aquaba Ariba Xposed so now. Yenya ba she loves Tomboy, make she loves Tomboy, and I'm a partner. I shall modi our wabuchimina. I shall modi no one say, and Pempin will be wabuchina, and yenny purple brain in him a Juma Potiana wedding. Or na a Juma do wabuchef and living a Bimuka, HPC, CNN, the other to say, F. Juma Bia. A Jumano, I'd say 7 Kofu wabuchin, 7 will be mumbu, because I won't share Kofu. omo yare ebi wa brewafo obi a obewu ni ade ena me nua bai eba show so a interview no na show no so na ye interview no chire mu na ni kasem no okokan no otu so ka asem chire se a all identify what the number of people a say dwuma na wa ni kofo wu on nsa no yenko tie nsem a okan na yembra